Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can recover your lost number. Maybe if you mistakenly deleted a number from your phone and you are trying to get it back, I'm going to show you how you can be able to get it back. So now if you see here, you see contacts. I just entered my phone contacts now. This is the contact that usually comes with the phone. So when you entered it, this one is the normal phone contact. Let me put my device in lighter mode so that we can be able to see things clearly. Okay, so this is the normal phone contacts that do come with the normal phone, but we are going to be doing this with our Google contacts. So in this my device here, I don't have a Google contact yet. So in case you too you couldn't find Google contact on your phone, maybe you only have phone contact, you have to download it. So you go to Play Store, click on it, just open. Now you come down to search. Okay, now you click on it. Just going to pick my device up so I can be able to chat, to type. So now you are going to search Google contact. Okay, let me just drop it here. You're going to type Google contact. Okay, like it has already suggested it for me, so I'll just not this one. Google contact. So you just clicked on it. Now this is it. This is the Google contact here. So what you do, you have to install. Click on install and let it load. Okay, just take a few seconds. Okay, so we have to wait for it to download, to install. Let it just finish installing. So it's either you can stay here and wait for it to install, you can decide to go. Okay, it has finished installing, so you just click on it to open. Now you press allow. Okay, now as you can see, it's not even much different from the normal contact that comes with our phone. It's just basically the same thing, so it's not that difficult to operate, but it have more advanced feature than the other one. So what you do now, you come down to organize. So you just click on organize. Now in organize, you see how many contacts that you have. Like me, I have about 302 contacts on my Google account. So you now scroll down, you see trash. Now you see this trash over here, just click on it. Make sure you are still connected with the internet. Now this is how many contacts that I've deleted from my phone. It's still here. Like as you can see now, you see Joshua, you see Blessing. Now these are the contacts that I deleted from my device, but it's still on this Google contacts here. So the one I believe when you come here, you see the contact that you maybe mistakenly deleted or you couldn't find in your phone again. Maybe someone else have deleted it, so you just have to click on it. After clicking, you see delete forever, then you see recover. So you are going to click on recover. So after I click this, you see the contact is back to your contact list. Now once I search Blessing now, or I scroll down for it, I'm going to see it. I search for it. Once I search for it now, it will come out here. So I believe this is the one that I deleted. Yeah, that's the number. I know exactly the number. So this is it. Now if I dial this number now, I can be able to connect with the person. So that's just it. Just very simple step that you can be able to recover a lost contact back to your phone. So but you make sure that after you deleted the number from your phone, make sure you recover it after 30 days, because once it exceeds 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from your Google contacts. Okay, if this video was helpful, please make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, see you on my next video.